5 times to be quiet. 1. When someone is trying to express their feelings, just be quiet. 2. When everyone is talking over each other, just be quiet. 3. When someone won't let you finish, just be quiet. They probably don't want to listen anyway. 4. When you're searching for an answer within yourself, just be quiet. 5. When you're experiencing a beautiful moment, just be quiet.
Is it poisonous? If I touch it, I don't know. Hindi ko kailangan hipuin ang mukha ko. Baka kasi meron tong ano. May mga toxic chemicals. Ang cute niya, oh. Hindi naman siya laman, eh. Ay, hindi siya